Hello, my name is Owen Lubinda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm currently recording at 04 p.m. because of my busy schedule. I'm sorry for this video. I'm not going to show my face, but without even wasting any of your time, I've just been hearing about a new way that you can make money online, and I tried it, and yeah, it's legit. People are getting paid out of this this new way. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're a new user or maybe a new subscriber, thank you and welcome to the team. So basically I teach people on how to make money, or we find ways on how we can make money online. I teach people forex and all the needed information that they need on cryptocurrency. I let you guys know everything about crypto and everything about forex. So without even wasting any of your time, please hit that subscribe button, and if you love the content, you can like it. If you don't like it, dislike it. If you need me to change anything, you can let me know in the description below. So let's jump into this thing right here. So the name of this website, it's called easytaskzm.com. easytaskzm.com. Then immediately load the website. This is how it comes up. Okay, let me just show you on how to register. Come on, register. You put your country code, phone number, your phone name, password, confirm. Then I'll give you, then here on the invite code, I'll give you my invitation code. Then you put it in there, then you register. It's as simple as that. Then immediately you register, it will bring you here where you will have to put in your details that you registered with. So like for myself right here, country code, currently I'm in Zambia, so let's look for Zambia. And by the way, Zambia is not down, it's just in between. Right here, Zambia. Put in my phone number. Okay, since I saved my accounts to my Google password sync, so it's already there. And let me log in. So I've logged in successfully. So I'm in the app right here. So basically it's this thing that has come now for being in the VIP. When you're in the VIP, you do a certain task, you get a certain commission. But for my advice, me on my own, I would say stick more on invitations. Just invite people, don't invest, but get the money that's there, the money that they're giving. So you just be working on inviting people, because if you invite 10 people, you get a 200 for free. That's basically a lot of money. So you get a 200 for free. And let me say you're serious with your investments, you can put in about a 200 or a 400 for some tasks that you have to be doing, and the withdrawals are direct, either to your bank account, or to your mobile money account. It's very simple. So immediately you are in this app, you can just start referring the same app to other people, or you can start earning by investing a little bit of money. Yes, a little bit of money for you to gain these access, these VIP groups where you get to do tasks and get paid. So for example, in this VIP 1, every task you do, you receive a 9 kwacha. Say in VIP 5, every task you do, you receive 87 kwacha. So that was just a quick one. I just wanted to show you this website, you guys. Yeah, it's a very simple website, and sorry for making this video right now, as in this is 04. I'm just from studying, because I know tomorrow I'll be busy, and I wanted to share this with you guys. So yeah, don't be scammed. It's a free thing. Yeah, so subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this content. Like, comment, share if you want your friends to also have a part or have a piece of this cake that you're investing in your time. Please have a blessed day, have a blessed night. I'm not sure what time you're watching this video. Thank you.